Good morning, everybody. I hope you had a great weekend. Today is the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Star Wars reference. Anyway, um, I just wanted to go through a couple of things on hopefully your last week. If you're finished with everything, if I haven't talked to you already, if you are finished with everything, you're good to go. Um, if you're not finished, you have a couple of days to get this finished. I have a couple of assignments, but I will be calling those that are missing stuff to remind you. It's not many. Most of you have your work together. So this week, I want to read you the notes because some of you don't read the directions. So I'm just going to do it for you. Looks like everyone is well on their way to finishing by May 8th. We have a few that are missing some assignments, and you take this week to complete any of those missing assignments, or you can retake anything with low grades. So, to answer a few questions, so here's some question answering for you. First thing you can do is check under the missing topic and see if I have listed you with any missing assignments. If you have, I've updated those. I updated them Sunday, so they should be updated with anybody that's missing anything. Okay, so the other way you can see is how do I know what assignments are missing? Go to Infinite Campus through ClassLink. Get onto your Infinite Campus, go into math, and anything in fourth quarter that is blank, not has the M, but anything in your math fourth quarter, I think there's 9 assignments there. Anything in your math fourth quarter that should have a grade in it and doesn't, that's missing. So you need to fulfill that. You need to get it done and then let me know. What if I just want to bring my grade up? You can message me and say, Miss Bush, I have a low average. I'd like to bring it up. Which would be the best assessment to take over again? And I will give you some practice, let you know. We can walk through it, and then I'll let you reassess on any assignment that you feel like you would do better on, and to bring your grade up. If you are struggling on a reassessment, send me a message. Make sure it's between the hours of 7:30 and 3:30. After 3:30, I may not be able to answer you. Please don't message me at 1 and 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning. I love you very much, but it wakes me up. If you have a message for me, talk to me through those hours. If you're going to send me a message, know that I'm not after 3:30. I usually don't answer. Okay, so be kind. Here's where our announcements are. Now for classwork this week, from Monday through Wednesday, I really want you guys that are missing or want to retake. This is your week. Okay, this is what I want you to do. I want you any missing work or any reassessments you want to do. But you need to let me know. We need to communicate. So you just jump on to this week's assignment and say, hey, Miss Bush, can you look at my grade and tell me, whatever. I'm looking at my grade. I would like to make this better. Have an idea of what you want to take, or if you're missing something, let me know you're going to retake it. So on this week's assignment, I just did a few things for those of you, and it says if you have no assignments that you need to retake, if you have no assignments missing, these are just some videos. So the first unit in coordinate algebra next year is about units of conversion, and it's complex units of conversion, but I figured I would, but you have to know the standard and metric units. And some of you struggle with that. So I figured I would give some basic information just about how to convert metrics. So there's 2 metric videos and then 1 American unit. And it has the units of measures list on there. But you're going to have to memorize that during next year. So I thought I would give you a little heads up on that. No work to turn in. This is just for your benefit for next year. I also, if you need to go through more practice and stuff, there's a whole link to the whole Khan Academy lesson of conversions from metrics in metric units and standard or American units. So you can use that link as well. So this is just for your benefit. You do not have to turn it in. I figured over 3 days you could practice this stuff. You can look through it. But that's just to help you get ready for next year. I told you I would do that. So that's for the next 3 days. So you won't see me post much for the next 3 days as far as classwork, because that's what I'm giving you for classwork. Those of you that need to retake, I need you to retake. Those of you that are missing, I need you to fix. And I really would like to do that, have that done by Wednesday. So I can call everybody that doesn't know if that doesn't know that they're going to be finished by May 8th or any of that, because I want everybody to be able to be finished so we can put this year to rest. I know it's been a crazy year. So I want you to get finished, but you got to do what you need to do. Most of you have, but if you're not happy with your grade, I want to talk to you too, and I want to help with that. I can work with you on that, and so please let me know. Have a great day. I love you, and if you need a Google Meet, send me a message for whatever assignment. If you need a Google Meet, I'll get on. If not, then I probably won't. But if you need me, you just let me know and I'll jump on. I love you. Goodbye.